Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. I am Amdi Disal Babaw from BTLED AFA 1C. I chose three philosophers. The first one is Socrates, Know Yourself, and the second one is Plato, The Ideal Self, The Perfect Self, and the third one is Immanuel Kant, Respect for Self. I chose philosopher Socrates, Know Yourself. Socrates was a Greek philosopher. He is the best known for his association with Socratic method of question and answer. Know yourself. Dapat mas kilala natin yung sarili natin more than kilala tayo ng ibang tao. Dapat alam mo yung value mo. Dapat alam mo kung paano ka respetuhin, igalang, at sabihan ng magandang salita at mahalin. Kasi kapag hindi mo alam yung value mo, somebody else will gonna say will gonna put your value, and I tell you, I would be less than real worth. Kaya wag mong hayaan na yung ibang tao yung magsabi ng value mo. Halimbawa, ako si Amdi Disal Babaw and I'm 19 years old. My hobby is playing basketball and I know myself. Sana ako magaling, kilala ko sarili ko. The second one philosopher I choose, Plato, The Ideal Self, The Perfect Self. Plato, as a student of Socrates, extend his teacher's idea by introducing the concept of ideal self, the perfect self. The ideal self, the perfect self. The ideal self is one that makes choice in order to pursue the purpose on earth. The perfect self is the highest version of oneself. The perfect self, it refers to a person that you want to be. My ideal self is I want to become a successful and professional teacher and a businessman in the future for my family. The perfect self, I'm a type of man that having determination in life to make my dreams come true. The third one philosopher I chose, Immanuel Kant, Respect for Self. Immanuel Kant emphasized the importance of respecting oneself and others as means to an end. Respect for self. Bigyan mo ng respeto yung sarili mo. Dapat mong respetuhin yung sarili mo. If you don't respect yourself, siyempre di ka respetuhin ng ibang tao. Halimbawa nito, dati hindi ako maayos yung pananamit ko. And siyempre, di ako nirespeto ng ibang tao. Kasi dahil sa pananamit ko, I realize na dapat ko muna ayusin yung sarili ko and respetuhin yung sarili ko. Dapat respetuhin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka respetuhin ng ibang tao. Kapag mataas yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, and siyempre, respeto mo yung sarili mo. The way ka mag-ayos, the way you speak. Thank you.